हरिओम दोस्तों, आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं सूत्र नेति. Step by step rubber neti process. Obtain a clean, soft rubber string around 1-2 feet long. Sanitize it with warm water and mild saline solution. For the lubrication, apply a small amount of sterile lubricant like saline or glycerin you can apply to one end of the rubber string. Now, insertion. Gently insert the lubricated end into one nostril while tilting your head slightly forward. Gradually push the string through the nasal passage until it emerges from the mouth. Use your fingers to gently pull the string out of your mouth. Move the string back and forth gently to clean the passage. Carefully remove the string, wash it thoroughly, and repeat on the other nostril if needed. Perform under expert guidance if you are new.
And for the Sutra Niti, you have to do early in the morning.
हरिओम दोस्तों,
without having
आज हम लोग
food.
करने वाले हैं सूत्र नेति. सूत्र नेति ये एक सूत्र है. सूत्र मीन्स थ्रेड and this is made up of cotton, basically cotton, and this portion is coated with wax. That is why ये बिल्कुल straight है. And if you are a beginner, if you can't perform with this, you can use this rubber. And this is also a rubber neti, similarly with this sutra neti. Earlier days we used to do with this, and nowadays for beginners friendly reason we are using this. Okay. The most important thing is, yeah, these are the things what I have for cleansing purpose. Sutra neti, these eye washing cups for your eyes, and this is Vastra Dhoti. I have another video for Vastra Dhoti. We are going to eat this entire cloth and then we will take it out. Okay. And another simple process is, this is Jala Neti. This is Neti pot. So I have all these videos on my channel. You can go through with that and you can check out the description box. I already uploaded there. Jala Neti, Sutra Neti, Vaman Dhauti with water, with salted water, and this is eye cleansing, and this one is Vastra Dhauti. Okay, all these techniques are external cleansing techniques, Shatkarmas, what we are doing in our day-to-day yogic practices. Rubber Neti, and Rubber Neti is for beginners. If you are old enough, then you can go with this Sutra Neti. This is wax coated sutra, cotton rope or cotton thread, you can see. And if you are a beginner, go with the simply Rubber Neti. Results are same. Use this portion, and if you're feeling this is dried, you can simply dip it in water, drinking water, and make it wet because it shouldn't be dry. If you are wearing this nose pin kind of things, I just removed my nose pin just because it may create obstacle. Removed it, and I'll put it here from my nose, and it will bring out from my mouth. I'll take it out from my mouth. Simply, what you need to do, simply say rotate it. Okay, understood? You may feel that this rubber is stuck somewhere in your this part. So what you can do, simply rotate it. Yeah, it is little uneasy kind of feeling, and within few minutes we will able to complete the process. Okay. Here my attempt 1 is failed. Second attempt. Done. You can do this thing with the another side as well, and the process is done. Just simply clean your nose and you are done.